Hey guys, welcome back to another Coding Flamingo video. So in this video, I'm actually gonna merge a lot of videos that I wanted to do together. So first of all, I've been waiting to get into the Copilot for GitHub for a while. I think it's really cool. And I even have been using in Visual Studio 2022, the autocomplete, that it's not as good as Copilot and it's amazing. So I really wanted to try it out. And then I've also wanted to do a video about how bad coding interviews are and how it shouldn't be these whiteboard problems, because you're never doing that stuff in real world. Like if they ask you to sort an array, you're going to use array.sort. You're not going to actually go and create this new crazy algorithm to do it. I actually have a whole video that I did, but I never released it, of why interviews are broken and how I actually used to interview when I used to work at Microsoft and how I interview now at Ketos, that we completely change it. We actually do debugging and stuff like that, but that's for another video. Actually, let me know if you guys want to hear that, because when I recorded it, it felt kind of like a rant, but like maybe you guys are into how we actually do the interviews and how we actually get better talent by doing that. So today what we're going to do is I'm just going through random LeetCode questions that I'm actually really bad at. And I'm doing it in Python because Copilot is better at Python. I usually do C#, my other Python video, which ironically is like one of my best videos performance-wise, is when I did the Reddit scraper. So maybe my Python videos do well. So I don't know. Let's try it out. So like, as if you see that video, I'm really rusty in Python, but you'll see how great I am at answering these questions. So all I have to do is this, and it'll give me the solution. I don't even have to like think about it. Just copy, paste, and submit it. And it actually does way better than most people. So it's kind of like very easy to do. And like, to show that it wasn't just like a random one, I'm just going to use another random one. And once again, I'm just going to copy and I'm going to paste. So the reason this works so well is because a lot of people do these programs and upload their code to GitHub, and GitHub uses that to learn. So by just seeing this kind of question, it's able to match the code to like the most common answer, which is probably like the solution that most people put, and do it. So that shows how interviews are not well anymore. Like people just do LeetCode and then you go to the interview and hope you get one of the ones you know how to answer. So yeah, now you know if you have a stay-at-home interview, you can crush it with GitHub Copilot without having a clue about coding. As you saw, I didn't even read the code, just copy-pasted, and I did better than most people. So that's how you crush LeetCode interviews. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.